An enjoyable Finnish sauna experience is clean and hygienic from start to finish. One can only truly relax in the sauna if the cleanliness is ensured. We at Sauna from Finland have conducted several sauna customer surveys which clearly show that cleanliness is the first thing on which the customer pays attention to in the sauna service. Even if the setting is otherwise in order, a poor level of hygiene ruins even the best sauna experience. This educational video instructs you on how to take care of the cleanliness of the sauna experience. We go through the cleaning of the sauna itself, as well as cleaning of shower rooms, dressing rooms, and toilets, since all of those are included in the sauna experience as well. We have created this video in cooperation with the Finnish Cleaning Authority Association SSTL Puhtausala ry. The video is shot at the Solosokos Hotel Paviljonki located in Jyväskylä, central Finland. The hotel sauna experience has been granted the Sauna from Finland's Authentic Finnish Sauna Experience Quality Certificate, which means the sauna experience has been developed to be of high quality and memorable. The products used in this video are the Versys Jontech 300, a low-foam, all-purpose cleaner; Jontech Profi Eco, an eco-labeled all-purpose cleaner; and Sanai 100 Per Eco, an eco-label cleaner for sanitary area. The cleaning machines used in this video are from in-range product family. Before we move on to the actual cleaning practices, there are a few things that are important to mention. 1. Regular and careful cleaning is the key for upkeeping the high hygiene level in the sauna premises. It prevents the surfaces from staining and becoming moldy, and prolongs the lifespan of the structures. If you are a sauna service provider, creating a detailed cleaning plan for the staff is advisable. Sauna from Finland has examples of cleaning plans available for members. 2. How often should you clean the sauna premises then? This depends on the frequency of use. If you have a sauna service, cleaning after every customer group and/or in between sauna sessions is important. Daily cleaning after closing is essential. More throughout weekly cleaning should be conducted as well. In home saunas, a good rule of thumb for more throughout cleaning is twice a year, but even more often if the sauna is heavily used. This video shows a daily cleaning in hotel sauna premises. Let your nose and eyes guide you. Are there traces of previous bathers or visible dirt in the sauna premises? Does the sauna and sauna area smell clean and neutral? 3. Preventive measures help in keeping the sauna premises clean. Choose materials that are easy to keep clean. Always shower before going to sauna or before entering a pool or hot tub. Remove jewelry before going to sauna. Use bench covers. Guide your customers to a hygienic sauna experience. 4. Always work aseptically. In other words, from cleaner surfaces to dirtier ones. This prevents the dirt from transferring between surfaces. 5. Pay close attention to touch points, the points that people touch a lot. Door handles, water ladle, footrests, and faucets are examples of touch points which gather a lot of dirt and microbes and therefore require careful and regular cleaning. 6. Select the correct equipment and materials for cleaning. The home sauna can be cleaned with normal home equipment, but customer and public saunas should use mechanical methods as shown in this video. When choosing detergents, pay attention to pH values. A detergent that is suited to all surfaces in the sauna area is mildly alkaline, meaning pH 8.1 to 10. Take good care of the cleaning equipment. Store them away from the sauna premises and let them properly air dry in between cleaning. Plus, even more effective cleaning is required during an epidemic. Remember to wear protective gloves correctly. Increase cleaning and disinfecting. If there is a confirmed virus suspect, it is recommended to switch over to using single-use cleaning towels and disinfective cleansers. Let's start the cleaning from the sauna room. 1. Begin with cleaning the floor drain. Remove excess dirt and stains from the surfaces. 2. Wet the sauna benches and every touch point and lean-on points with lukewarm water to open the grains of the wood. Avoid excess watering. If the sauna benches aren't liftable, wash the bottom of the benches first to avoid getting wet from the water dripping from the top of the bench. 3. Spread the detergent solution evenly on the wetted surfaces and work aseptically with an adjustable abrasive mop. Start from the walls where people lean on. Remember to clean the space in between bench boards and the front edge of the bench. 4. Wash the door between the sauna and the shower room with the adjustable abrasive mop or a hand mop. 5. Rinse all the washed surfaces with cold water to close the grains of the wood. Don't let the detergent solution dry on the surfaces. 6. Dry the benches with a clean floor wiper or a window wiper. 7. Finish by washing the floors. This can be done simultaneously with the shower room floor. Let the sauna room dry throughout. Let's move on to the shower room. 1. Wet the shower walls, faucets, and possible sauna accessory. Again, avoid excess watering. 2. Spread the detergent on the wetted area and wash the surfaces with an adjustable abrasive mop or a hand mop. Start with the walls and move on to the water fixtures, soap dispensers, and other elements. Remember to wash the shower room door from inside. 3. Rinse all clean surfaces with cold water. 4. Clean the outer surface of the shower room's door with a moist flat mop. Remember to pay special attention to the door handles. 5. Dry the walls with a window wiper and, if needed, with a cleaning cloth. Drying the walls prevents microbes from attaching to the surfaces, such as on the silicone seams. 6. Wash the floor drain and move on to washing the floors. You can wash the sauna floor at the same time. Spread the detergent evenly and wash with an adjustable abrasive mop. Swipe the dirty water with a floor wiper into the drains and rinse the floor with cold water. Dry the floor with a floor wiper. Finish with ventilating the room if possible. Next, we have the dressing room. Dressing rooms are hygienically more critical than sauna and shower rooms because that is where the dirty and clean collide. You arrive in the dressing room dirty and return clean. 1. Start by cleaning the lockers, shelves, coat racks, and mirrors. 2. Move on to cleaning benches, tables, and touch points, such as door handles and light switches. 3. Empty all garbage bins and laundry baskets. 4. Vacuum the carpets and remove them if possible. If necessary, wipe the carpets with a moist cloth or wash in the shower room. 5. Vacuum the floor and wash with either a mop or an automatic scrubber. Lastly, the toilets. 1. Remember to wear protective gloves. Fill the paper, towel, and soap dispensers and empty all garbage bins. 2. Dose detergent on faucets, basin, toilet seat, and urinals and let it sit for a while. Remember to push the water lower on the toilet bowl before dosing the detergent. 3. Clean the mirror and then the touch points, such as the door handles, light switches, dispensers, and bidet. Use a separate cleaning cloth for the touch points to avoid transferring microbes around. 4. Scrub the basin with a brush and wipe with the same cloth used on the touch points. Remember to fold the cloth and wipe with the clean side. 5. Scrub the toilet seat with a toilet brush, flush and rinse the brush in the water. Again, use the clean side of the same cloth used on the touch points and the basin to wipe the outer surfaces of the toilet seat. Start from the top of the seat and move on lower. Always fold the cloth to reveal a clean side when you move on to new surfaces. Wash and wipe the urinal similarly. 6. Clean the drain and mop the floors. Now we have gone through the cleaning of the sauna premises step by step. Remember to clean your cleaning equipment after every use and store them out of sight somewhere where they can air dry. The sauna premises might include other areas as well, such as swimming pools, hot tubs, and terraces, which naturally need a cleaning plan of their own. Sauna from Finland has instructions for cleaning this area too. Cleaning the sauna area always includes questions about, for example, environment and ergonomic cleaning. Remember to take these into consideration as well. Sauna from Finland is always happy to help you in creating a high-quality and clean sauna experience. You can find more information at www.saunafromfinland.com.